May mga kumakalat na balita ngayon na may posibleng mangyayaring exhibition fight sa susunod na taon. Ang ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao ang nag-iisang 8th Division World Champion kontra sa Australiano na dating highest paid player sa National Rugby League at dating 3 times WBA Super Middleweight Champion na si Anthony Mundine alias The Man. Huling lumaban si Anthony Mundine taong 2021 lang. May kasalukuyang record ito na 48 wins, 11 losses, 28 dito via knockout. May tangkad ito na 5'11 at may edad na 47. Kung statistics ang pagbabasihan ay talagang sobrang laki ni Anthony Mundine kumpara kay Manny Pacquiao. Lugi sa tangkad at sa timbang dahil 3 division ang pagitan ng dalawa. Ilang mga bigating kalaban na din ang kinasahan nitong si Anthony Mundine. Tulad na lang nila Daniel Gale at Danny Green na mortal niyang kaaway, Joshua Clottey, Jeff Horn, Michael Zerapa at si Shane Mosley. Pero sa huling 10 laban ni Anthony Mundine ay 4 lang dito ang pinanalo niya. Tinalo siya ni Joshua Clottey via unanimous decision, Charles Hatley via TKO, Danny Green via majority decision, Jeff Horn via KO, John Wayne Parr via split decision at sa kanyang huling laban ay tinalo siya ni Michael Zerapa via TKO. Sa kabuuan ay may 3 boksidor na din ang nakasagupa ni Anthony Mundine na nakalaban na din ni Manny Pacquiao. Ito ay sina Joshua Clottey na tinalo ni Manny Pacquiao noon via unanimous decision pero tinalo niya si Mundine. Jeff Horn na tumalo kay Manny Pacquiao via controversial decision pero tinalo niya si Mundine via first round KO. At si Shane Mosley na tinalo na din ni Manny Pacquiao via unanimous decision pero tinalo ni Mundine via stoppage. Kung sakaling matuloy ang exhibition fight ng dalawa sa susunod na taon na posible umanong gaganapin sa bansang Papua New Guinea ay paniguradong napakagandang laban na naman ang ating makikita. Pero ang tanong, kakayanin kaya ng ating pambansang kamao itong malaking Australiano? Ating balikan ang labang Anthony Mundine kontra Shane Mosley na matatandaang tinalo na ni Manny Pacquiao via unanimous decision pero tinalo ni Mundine si Shane Mosley via stoppage.
So punches here and here are fine. Give your instructions upstairs. Shake hands and good luck to both of you.
Is Anthony Mundine and Sugar Shane Mosley. Kenny would suggest favours Mundine. Power Mosley.
The ring, and I think the story is going to be told early in the first.
You know, at the moment, both having a look at each other. Good jab there from Mosley.
Anthony want to have it on the inside. He has the height and has the reach advantage. He wants to keep it from the outside.
Has been world champion at 72.5 and now at 69.5. It's phenomenal at 38 years of age to do this, I think, to be honest.
Oh, Mosley goes swinging early.
When he's at his best, Anthony Mundine's got great
hands high, elbows in for Anthony, striking with the left.
Good jab.
Doubling up with the jab.
Jab landed well that time.
Mosley with
Mundine feinting, looking for that opening. This round.
That's right, he's offsetting Shane Mosley somewhat, and Mosley hasn't been able to land any devastating punch.
Shane Mosley.
That's very true, and I bet he's happy the first round's over.
Yeah. Stances, very different fighters. Full stop. Taking anything early in this one. Now, referee.
I think Mosley has to let his hands go if he wants to prove his value.
Just towards Anthony Mundine here. He's certainly not putting it together at the moment, Mosley.
Now in 2 rounds, I've got to say. Nice job by Anthony Mundine. Want to rip into the body.
Well, you know, they say boxers can age over.
He's got his dad with him here and as the principal in this corner. Sparring, very intense. Shane Jack Mosley combination in the red corner.
Yeah, it was. Certainly was very slow off the mark, which, you know, sort of I expect him to come out very fast.
It's a left up there from Anthony Mundine to Shane Mosley.
Oh, over the top, Mosley with a solid right hand. His best shot off the fight so far.
Fire from Anthony Mundine to clinch him on the inside, just to tire him out, to use his weight and size on him.
Middle of that. Yeah. Shane gets taken with another.
And he's dominating since.
Yeah, Barry, he recovered very well.
May not have always liked what they heard, but you've heard it. Here he is, actually acclimatised well, isn't going to use preparation or lack thereof as an
Big overhand right there, chopping right from Mosley. Oh,
Mosley
he's just at this stage not putting him together.
He's not, but Anthony's done very well to keep him at the distance.
Yeah, saying that, Ted.
Trying to generate some power up through the hips with his right hand. He gets Mundine with a nice right.
It's hurt Mundine.
That caught his attention.
That Mundine's, that right hand stun Mundine.
He is rocked, and here comes Anthony. Anthony Mundine is looking to create history. He covers him with another right hand. And Anthony Mundine lead up to the fight itself. What we have seen here in round number 4. Anthony chasing the future Hall of Famer across.
And he's got that power. But Anthony Mundine is really taking it.
Not seeing the left hand of Anthony Mundine. Again, the Australian picks him off with a beautiful grab. Control this well. Raul Payers Senior. Mundine bombing with the right hand.
Got to be putting it together. One at a time.
Mundine's power again has rocked Shane Mosley here.
Yes, that right hand again.
Many saw the photos of Anthony from the weigh-in last night and feared
In the punch as well, and Anthony's just delivering some sneaky uppercuts and right hands and
looking for a career extension at the expense of Anthony Mundine. Interesting to note, his fought continues, it intensifies.
it certainly does. I think the script is definitely lost on all them return flights back to the USA.
Yeah. Mosley occasionally gets a couple off, but Mundine out punching him, out boxing him.
Out everything at this stage.
Yeah.
Mosley thrown back into the corner here. Mundine with the overhand rights. He doubles them up.
You know, when you look at Mosley's last fight, it was an awesome victory over Tablaciza Kano, who's a very well-performed Mexican.
Guy that, you know, recently fought Paulie Malignaggi for a world title. I really don't know if Shane was listening to Jack.
He's taking some good punches there. No, it's the emotional aspect of the whole parenthood thing.
Curb condition. And it's Mosley that was complaining of the bad back.
When Shane Mosley,
From when Mosley does get back, Mosley seems to be lunging and just surviving. Good right hand.
Chuck is just picking him off.
Exactly right. Yeah, it looks that way, Andy. And Anthony's looking $1 million here tonight.
He certainly is. I mean, he's boxing well. He's out muscling Mosley. He's landing the heavier shots.
Anthony Mundine fighting the perfect fight. Just staying in the middle of the ring, touching with the jab, setting up the punches, just going through it. At the moment. Let me get, hold on. Doctor's coming in, looks like.
His back is bad, we gotta stop it though. Yeah, he's like having spasms, I think. Yeah. Gotta stop it. Yeah. Stopping it, Shane. I'm sorry. You can't fight
Shane Mosley, with the assistance of the ref and the doctor, has quit. Doctor and the referee. In consultation with Shane. Unbelievable. He's heavily involved in the lead up to tonight.
Your winner and the new WBA International Light Middleweight Champion, Anthony "The Man" Mundine.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.